Hey y'all, I'm going to give y'all a little tip of how we use some of our pickled eggs. You can make pickled eggs different ways. You can take a jar of store-bought pickles. After you get done eating the pickles, don't throw that juice away. Oh, y'all, please don't throw that juice away. That's just like liquid gold. Boil you up some eggs, let them cool, peel them, drop them down in that juice, and let them, put them in the refrigerator, let them sit overnight, and y'all, you've automatically got some flavored pickled eggs. Okay, now number 2, the way I do pickled eggs, I boil up a bunch of eggs. I'll peel them, let them cool. Then I will make up some of Mrs. Wage's kosher deal seasoning packet and make that brine up. And then I will pack those jars with those boiled eggs, peeled boiled eggs. And then I will pour the brine on it up to the rim, wipe my rims off, put the lids and rings on, process them in a water bath. I follow the directions on these packages, y'all. You got pickled eggs. Here's a way to use some of them. Granddaughters will just reach in if they want a healthy snack instead of reaching for potato chips. I will say, pick out something healthy out of the refrigerator. They'll come and just get a pickled egg for a snack. One of my granddaughters loves to turn around and take a pickled egg, put it in a bowl, and put some mayonnaise and some relish in it, and automatically smush it up. She's got egg salad. Now they've learned how to turn around and just make a quick egg salad sandwich. See? Get them used to eating that good stuff. We can turn around and just automatically have some deviled eggs on hand. Just quick. And using them up, and it's a healthy snack. So there's one way that we use our pickled eggs.